How to build ninja employees with a lean employee development plan. Today, we're going to talk about how to build ninja employees with a leaner employee development plan. Do you find your employee development plans are not effective because they try to cover too much and end up overwhelming the employee? Employee development plans, I'll call them EDPs, have lost their way. They've become these huge HR beasts that smother their original intent, employee performance development. So what happens? EDPs become an annual exercise in CYA, cover your ass, for both manager and employee. Check off the boxes and move on. Look, if you want to boost employee job performance and increase engagement, I have found a lean approach works best. Now, if you work for a large corporation, your hands may be tied with these huge EDP requirements. But if you are a department manager of a mid-sized company or small business owner, this lean approach can work wonders. It even works as an individual self-growth plan you can give to employees. A lean EDP is the most powerful way to truly boost the employee's development path and gain their buy-in and engagement. So how does a lean EDP work? You can put one together in less than an hour, and I'll show you how. First, you build out a bucket of proficiencies based on the employee's job description and job requirements, because that's where you want to boost employee performance. Then, to focus the employee, you break the bucket out into 3 modules. We'll use a sales employee as an example here. Module 1 is job proficiencies. This is their key functions, such as generating sales, appointment setting goals, and building a pipeline. Next is job support proficiencies. These are the job support functions such as apps, CRM, Office Suite, composing emails, reports, etc. And third is soft skills, personal development qualities such as tact, patience, listening skills, timeliness, etc. You email these 3 modules of proficiencies to employee ahead of time for them to rate which proficiencies that they feel need most improvement. And then they'll rank which of those need to be prioritized for this coming quarter. Then they sit down at the quarterly review. The manager goes through the same list of proficiencies as the employee. They rate and rank each proficiency, with the manager having the final say as to what the agreed upon final 3 to 5 proficiencies are. The manager then gives the employee a summary sheet of the 3 to 5 proficiencies to prioritize so employee can review them each day. The following quarter, manager reviews the results, and together they forge the new proficiencies to prioritize for that quarter. Rinse and repeat each quarter, and watch your employee gain ninja performance increases through the principle of Kaizen. Do you see all the benefits of this leaner process? It builds a partnership of consent between the employer and the employee by including inputs from both. Plus, the employee is working on things they can control, their job proficiencies. As a manager, you are simplifying employees' performance metrics by standardizing the EDP process. For the employee, by going through the whole list of proficiencies each quarter, they internalize all the different skills they need to excel at, while at the same time engaging only in the continual Kaizen skills development on a daily basis. Best of all, you save time. A manager can complete the quarterly review in 15 to 30 minutes each quarter, but you're giving the employee a tool they can work on daily. This lean development plan will become something the employee actually looks forward to measure themselves against benchmarks that they themselves help set. You should also include rewards and awards to motivate the employees and build pride in their achieved performance. I include a free customizable employee development template in PDF and Excel with instructions below. Give them a try. Your employees will thank you. Quick note, these free templates do not include management review tools and employee reward schedule. If you want to get the complete employee development template kit, you can do so here. Please like this video if these employee development plan templates have helped you. I appreciate your comments as well. You can subscribe to my channel to gain all the latest employee development tools.